Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you can or you can't add promo code codes to Universal Studios. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to go to Universal Studios Hollywood.com and purchase some tickets. So I'm just going to quickly go through this process. So I'm going to click on buy tickets now. Alright, I've already got tickets added to my cart. So now I'm going to add in my details here. Alright, and now I'm going to just put in a name. Then I'm going to click on continue. Put a last name in too. And now this should take me to the checkout section. Alright, now let's have a look at the checkout section, because this is generally where you find where to put promo codes or discount codes. So now what it's asking is my first, last name again, credit card number, billing information, so country, address, etc. And there's no spot here to add promo code or discount codes to Universal Studios. So at this point of time in July 2024, there is no place to add in promo code. If I've missed out something, just leave a comment down below if there is a spot to put promo code tickets, but as you can see, there's no way